Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this really quick video we're going to talk through a little bit about cleaning and maintenance, specifically your air fry basket that comes with your air fry microwave. We do have a separate video when it comes to cleaning your microwave and the general accessories, but sometimes we get asked by customers, how can I correctly clean my air fry basket? And it's really straightforward. First thing to remember is don't be tempted to go in too heavy-handed with lots of scrubbing. Don't use any harsh or over-abrasive chemicals. All you need is some warm soapy water. If you've got some really sort of ingrained stains on there, you can soak it for a little bit. Gently start scrubbing it with a sponge or something like that. The other thing is for general cleaning, and the great news is that the air fry basket is dishwasher safe. So that's the best way to keep it clean. As soon as you use it, pop it in the dishwasher and it should come out absolutely fine. So there you go. That's how you can correctly clean your air fry basket on your Panasonic air fry microwave. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.